explorers, welcome back to our channel. So, today we are going to begin with one wonderful chapter from your storybook, that is Demon and Pythias. So, today we are going to explore with one of the most powerful stories of friendship by the story of Demon and Pythias. So, their extraordinary bond, we will learn the importance of standing by our friends, keeping promises, and valuing the relationships that matter the most. So, very quickly, let's begin with the chapter. So, this is a story of a place named Syracuse where two friends lived named Demon and Pythias. And there was a cruel king whose name was Dionysus, and he was ruling at Syracuse with very cruelty. So, to save the people of Syracuse with the king's cruelty, Demon and Pythias planned to kill Dionysus the king. But by their bad luck, Dionysus got to know about their plan. So, Dionysus ordered Demon to death after 3 days. After that, Demon had his wife and child in a distant village. Demon was having his child and his wife at the village. So Demon requested the king to have to led a favor on him and let him meet his wife and his child. But at once the king denied. But afterwards, the king agreed to the situation when his friend Pythias told him that he is going to take the place of Demon. And if Demon did not turn in 3 days, he is going to place the death in place of Demon. After that, Demon had lived with his wife and his child for the last 3 days. And now Demon was planning to go back to Syracuse and face his punishment. But as soon as Demon called his servant to bring his horse, the servant informed that the horse has been dead. At that point, Demon understood that he has been tricked by the king and they are not letting Demon to come back to Syracuse and face his death. So that is why Demon planned to go on his foot. But it was not possible to reach Syracuse within 3 by the evening but on foot. So let's see what he did after that. He started his journey on foot. He walked many countries mile across, but it was not possible for him to reach Syracuse by evening. So there he found a merchant who was riding a horse. He asked the merchant for his help, that he wanted to lead on his horse and reach Syracuse on time so that he can save this friend Demon from the death. But after that, merchant denied to his request. After showing, after denying, Demon showed his wallet to the merchant and he showed that how much money did he have in his wallet. And then he threw that wallet a, very far away. And as soon as the merchant ran, Demon picked up his horse and went riding off on it to Syracuse. At Syracuse, the people were waiting. The crowd was waiting for him very eagerly, right? While the crowd was waiting, the crowd was also shouting that that Pythias must be left free because Demon had betrayed him. But Pythias was truly trusting his friend and he said that Demon must be dead or within no time he would be here to save me. Right? Just after that, Demon came and he told all the incident to his king, that how his horse was dead, how he met a merchant, and how he stole his horse, right? After seeing the friendship of Demon and Pythias, Dionysus let them both free and he also ordered them that now you are not two friends, you are 3. Demon, Pythias and Mycel. That means the king also became their friends by seeing their true friendship. So, this ancient tale told us the true meaning of loyalty, trust, and valuing our friends. So, if you love to read the stories or love the stories with playful twists, this video is going to help you learn, laugh, and remember all the valuable points. So, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon